Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. We're in a brown shirt, so that lets you know we are doing an unboxing as well as the title. We got a couple of things, so it won't be able to make it into a short. Sorry the last 2 days, no videos. Water heater blew up, whatever, water everywhere. Had to clean it up for 2 days. As a matter of fact, I'm using my son's towel tonight because all my good towels are in the dryer. So we've got two things to unbox. Actually, I'll have to get the other one. I didn't bring it. So this came from Murphy & McNeil. Y'all remember correctly, I had an Abby that didn't work out. And I let and Bill over at Murphy & McNeil was like, oh, let me make her right. And I was like, dude, it was a sample. The sample didn't cost me anything. I was just curious. So, anyways, I told him, I was like, I've just been doing samples, I've been doing over like 2 months of everyday videos, which I'm now, I messed it all up. And he was like, well, let me send you a soap or two. And I'm like, dude, send me samples. I'm like, I'd rather have a sample of almost everything you have than you send me like 1 tub of soap. Because it's more videos for me, for you, for everybody else. So we got Bad More. I am probably not saying that right. It's got little asterisk things over it. Bad More. This is the South Florida Wet Shavers South Beach. It's going to be an awesome one. Nade, I believe. Oh, that's not their Naked. That does have a scent. Mandate of Heaven. Kells. Sorry, I'm looking down, but I'm reading. Trinity. Glen to Glen. Like, look at all these dudes. Like, I couldn't ask for a better thing. He sent a lid. Don't know what the lid's for. And a bunch of labels. Which is kind of cool. I guess I can... he did. Gale Oak Orange. So I can hold up, I guess, the label. Guys, I'm not going to go through it all, but look, there's that many more samples. Like, there's like 30 samples in here. I couldn't do any more. All right, let me grab that other package, and we'll be right back. All right, we're back, guys. The problem is I did open this because the return was like, imagine the amazing design, and I'm like, I didn't order from them. Who is this? But I took the item, and I was like, oh, that's what it is, and I just left it sitting next to it, and when I grabbed it, I forgot. So this came from Grown Man Shave. They asked me if I wanted to try something from a straight razor from their website, and I said, yeah, sure thing. Be happy to. So he picked out a straight razor to send to me, and he sent me Naked Armor. I think this is the Solomon one. Came like this. Naked Armor. Comes in that. You open it up. Little slide out box. Comes in a little pouch. Not the most excited about Naked Armor. He could have sent me anything else. People that do real reviews never have anything nice to say about Naked Armor. CDB, Thomas the Shaver, Stallion. So I pulled it out of the thing, and look at it. You can see the tarnishing already from like where the oil sat funny in the plastic bag. It's very heavy. It's poor quality right there. We're not going to... Anyways, you see the liners. There it is. Naked Armor. We'll do a review on it, guys. I will let you know. I'm going to try to go into this open-minded. But it's pretty much a rebranded gold dollar. Alright, guys. That's it. Yeah, I'm going to point a lot of things out that I just noticed pulling it out. Alright, guys. That's it. Y'all know the drill. If you've made it this far, for me, can you please subscribe, hit that noti bell, hit the like button, and comment below. And I will catch you guys next shave.